Now keep.
Now, we're filming all the seagulls. Holy dooly. I'm filming them.
You shall bow down to me.
Makes us feel like kings. There's so many of them all just waiting for us. Another one just dropped. Here's a chip that I'm eating. That's insane.
My idea.
Oh man, I threw one bad chip.
One bad.
Any other bad chips? That's a bad chip. Throw one bad chip. Oh crap, there's more of them. Oh no, we're hurting more. Oh, there's more coming out from the beach.
They're learning.
They're so close. Look how close they are. That's my foot. Like right near us. Look at them all.
They're learning.
They are learning.
Pigeon's smart.
Pigeons behind us. There's a seagull behind us. There's a seagull. Whoa. Just feed him a single one. Wow. Holy crap. Look at him go once I pick up a chip. Walk closer. Oh, you reckon I can hand feed one?
I know.
That's not smart, eh? Can I?
Oh, fuck.
No, shit. I want to hand feed one.
No, don't.
I'll do it.
No.
Take one for the team. There's a long chip. That's the longest chip I got. Alright, I'm going to hand feed one.
Oh, crap, man.
Oh, shit. Oh, boy. Got to hand feed one. Who wants it? What? Oh, sugar, this is scary. I've never felt so scared in my life. Oh, God. Oh, no, they're flying in. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay. Someone take it. Someone take it. Someone take it. Someone take it. Oh, shit. Got it. Which one got it? Oh, no, there's a bird with a limp. What? Oh, there's three behind us. Look at them. Hey, birdies. Drop him one. Oh, okay, now we're really surrounded. Oh my god. So many seagulls. I still want to hand feed one, but I know I shouldn't. Holy dooly. I'm literally surrounded right now. I made the weird noise. Oh. I want to hand feed one, but I know I shouldn't. I could be a seagull man. Seagullman. They can call me
Stuff the chip
Seagull.
on them.
Oh, I so want to hand feed one, but it's so dumb, eh?
I want a fake throw one, but I don't.
You want to fake throw one? No, they just go for your hand anyways. Ah! Who wants a chip? I seriously want to hand feed one, but ow! Oh, what are you doing? And we can't eat it now because you dropped it. Where'd it go? Hand feed one to someone. Whoa, do it. Do it. You're not going to eat it. It's been on the bench. Just hand feed it. You want to drop one to the back. These ones are being patient. Hey, all getting restless. Oh shit, I put one on my... Oh shit! You put one on my hand! Yeah, back away, back away. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Can I go now?
Oh shit! Oh man, I'm not comfortable. That one's hungriest.
No!
What? Hey. Whoa, boy. Whoa. That one's doing that thing again. Oh, shit. Oh, they're flying. Oh.
RPCA comes with.
I know, right? What proof do they have?
True.
Besides my phone. I'm keeping this bad.
No, all we gotta say is we dropped one chip and they.
That's technically what happened.
They're learning.
They are learning. They're still everywhere, right? Go away. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? You are too close. I'll be damned. Stomping makes them go away. Dude, we stomped and they went away. Hey.
They're learning.
They are learning. want to throw one again.
No.
Okay. I'm not acting like there's nothing going on now. Oh no. We throw one far away?
No.
Oh.
Because they're going to come back.
No, they won't. I don't know where the food came from. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Picked up a chip, picked up a chip, picked up a chip. And that could have been us. Oh no! They're coming back. Oh crap, no one's flying, no one's flying. I've had better days. I've had better days. So many of them. Go where? They're gonna eat us anyways. Should we just leave the chip there so that I can stand up, walk away?
Hell no.
Why not?
I'm not doing that.
See what happens. Place on the ground. Place on the ground. Hey. Alright, alright. Oh no. Oh look at that, they're moving to the other people. They're hurting. Oh boy. Sucks to be them. We should probably throw a chip somewhere. Solved. We have our minions. That doesn't. Stand up. Oh, they're one of those people.
They're going to follow us.
I know, should we just throw the chips?
No.
What are we going to do? Put them in the bin?
Yeah.
Might as well feed them.
I have no partaking in
Okay, cool.
I think you just wait until I walk away.
No, never. I'm the Seagull. That one still does it. I'm the Seagull man. They are not happy. Okay, seagulls, bitches. Let's do this. Alright, getting close, getting close, getting close. What? Yes. Oh. Wait for it. Wait for it. Chips are on the bench, 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 chips are on the bench. What? They're gonna chase me if I pick it up. No one's grabbing it. Oh good, they're flying away. They're all flying away. Half of them are flying away. Still a good half waiting for chips. What if I... Okay, hold on. Okay, what if I just bring the chips with us? We can bring our own little minion of seagulls. Come, seagulls. Wait, how many can we fit in your car? Dude, there's like 30 of them. That's an easy fit. Look at how big your car is.
Put that in the bin.
What? I'll just drop the chips here. Huh? But they're hungry.
Don't leave the rubbish there.
Okay. That's all the food I have. I'm now the king. They will follow me forever. This is so cool. I have my own little army of seagull. Come, seagull. Okay, I'm worried because I think I'm their king. I'm very convinced I'm actually their king now. Come, seagull. This is awesome. I love this. Where's it been? I need a bin, Cam. Hey, hey. Stop. Stop. Damn straight. Yo. Oh, bin's over there. Okay, come, seagull. We have a bin. Follow me. Follow, seagull. I don't want pigeons. I don't care for pigeons. Nothing sus. Just got an army of seagull. Nothing to see here. But an army of seagull. Take a picture while I have my army of seagull. Quit that. I'm going to start naming you soon. Taking a picture? Hurry up, Cam. Come on, seagulls. It's going to be sad when they find out I have no chips left. Oh, and they're gone.